Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Supreme cloud sound can comprehend this. The extent of all space may be known, but the extent of a pore of Buddha cannot be apprehended. Such non-obstruction is inconceivable. Exquisite Top-Knot has been able to realize this. The Buddha in countless past ages fully cultivated the far-reaching transcendent means, working diligently with non-flagging vigor. Joyful intelligence knows this teaching. The causes and conditions of the nature of actions are inconceivable. The Buddha explains them all for the world. The nature of things is fundamentally pure with no defilements. This is the entryway of flower light. You should gaze on a pore of the Buddha. All sentient beings are therein, and they neither come nor go. This is the understanding of universal sight. Furthermore, the celestial king contented found the door of liberation of all Buddhas, bringing forth a complete, fully rounded teaching in the world. Celestial King, Ocean of Joy and Bliss, Top-Knot, found the door of liberation of the body of pure light extending throughout the realm of space. Celestial King, Banner of Supreme Virtues, found the door of liberation of the ocean of pure vows to extinguish the sufferings of the world. Celestial King, Still and Silent Light, found the door of liberation of physical manifestation everywhere to expound the truth. Celestial King, Pleasing Eyes, found the door of liberation purifying the realms of all sentient beings. Celestial King, Jewel Peak Moon, found the door of liberation of the inexhaustible store of eternal manifestation, teaching all worlds. Celestial King, Courage and Strength, found the door of liberation, showing the realm of true awakening of all Buddhas. Celestial King, Subtle Diamond Light, found the door of liberation, fortifying and solidifying all sentient beings' will for enlightenment, making it unbreakable. Celestial King, Constellation Banner, found the door of liberation of techniques for associating with all Buddhas that appear, meditative investigation, and harmonization of sentient beings.